Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So Cheese has answered back, so we're gonna be tuning into season 1 episode 2. So this is Cheese, a clap back at what Vani has to say. So in the next clip coming up, we're gonna be listening to Cheese's respond. Yeah, we're gonna be listening to Cheese response and the saga of the Barbie dolls, of the border dolls. Sometimes we just get a little excitement. So let's stay tuned and hear what Cheese have to answer back to IVANY. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe.
It was good. I didn't do nothing bad to you, mama. Couldn't do to you, girl. I still want you win, even though your crosses, you can go suck your mother. And kill yourself too. Anything you want to do, bitch, your crosses. Nobody, you will never have peace because you can't find peace in yourself. You're gonna make everybody around you miserable. Mad? You couldn't be a part of that. Because for the couple days, then I tell you, I don't kind of spirit around you. But you have a tormented up the way I miserable. When I want to sleep, I go up there, sir, my battery dead. See, mad. And the best thing one time you say, yeah, go out the door. One. You could have stayed for all the time and not come back. That's the energy. You see, as you come in, once you come in, I gone last night, but is a dirty girl, is a nice people in place, liar, little girl. She lie, see, attention seeker. From where she go do her breast, the people them a beat her. I saw the people them stay about ya. People say, I see I do her. Guys, you hear me say nothing about ice?
Since me go Miami one day, I know Cheese real life story. Cheese not have a life.
So, IVANY.
You never mentioned the baby.
Where you say now?
She's a butter with her baby.
Hold on. IVANY. Where you say now? IVANY, move your dirty blood clots and go. IVANY, look how I sleep like you slap ice for sleep. IVANY, anybody flick anybody, you slap ice. Me, as me say, guys, are the worst dirty germs this. IVANY, I'm here really a try. I'm here really a try when you go and go up and live, you slap ice for go sleep. The little boy scream out. And me I tell you, say, give me, make me rock him. I say, no, make him stay. And throw the blood clot blanket pan him, nasty girl. You can't talk about nobody pitney. Eh? Social for take with blood clot ice. Dirty girl. You wicked girl. Me, I go be the witness say how in a blood clot court can miss that with my 2 eye. I'm going to testify. I'm going to go up on the blood clot lie detector test. Stinking girl coming out telling a lie on you. You slap ice for go sleep. And again, you talk about pitney, me tell us if you keep it jiggy. Go buy some clothes for ice. Go buy some clothes for ice, no blood clot. Ice favor muscle ducking and blood clot pin under them. Ice the way ice pin under them, little pan him, no blood clot him if you have a choker. Go buy some clothes for ice. You do the most for you and nothing for ice. Go get some clothes for ice. Ice they've never short set. Ice they've never righted blood clot shirt for put on where go to door. Here's a germs bag dog shit. Oh, you forgot Pitney. Oh, you forgot Pitney. Now me go rinse out big pussy ice. What you say to me now? Love Pitney out of this and me did tell you. Girl, if you ever see a lie, me I tell me I prove. Stinking dirty blood clot dirt alert. I be a dirty clothes you put on per ice over there. Dirty pin under pan, dirty pin under. Stinking girl ice catch ringworm cause you put him in the face base where everybody and their mother come fuck and have all different type of germs and beard. Nasty IVANY, you know nobody. In the bathroom face base your blood clot beard ice and you force me to do it. And then through every time the liquor, hey girl I really pit me a go. Ice shit smell like dead man every time ice shit him off a beard. Come make a reason. Come make blood liquor ice a 6 month time one worm out. Where you said to me or? Where you said to me so good girl? Where you really and truly you say to me, you. You know make no sense what you say. You say what you say, you really and truly. Oh, you have to call my little boy name. And your mouth me ear say that. I just wait for you for go this up. Eh? Nasty girl, you have a buckle for ice. You come from all the way to Atlanta with no cover. Stinking IVANY Ice need a good mother. Oh, we make case come for your son. I feel it for ice. I feel it for blood clot ice. Oh, and a God as my witness as me sit down right there so. I bare dirty clothes the girl put on the baby. Bare dirty clothes people as my witness and you know the blood clot the and pinanda. Try remember, I know she no watch that and have on that 2 days. You notice all when time ice go in bed. I way up in the evening before baby for bed wake up a morning time and bed so good girl. You do things to the gram and the media. Come show the people them say your mother you dirty work. Nasty girl me should have gone from the first blood clot day. Trouble come. But me say, alright, then me I go and do it because I know you really want the help. And this is the blood clot you ask for half of the fear. Stinking girl, dirty fuck. Nasty IVANY with the pussy wherever sick. IVANY, everywhere you go, you shove your bike and pussy pill. Come now, remember when time we do the shopping and pick up the baby milk and something. You ask the man, what he can do, have a bad infection, and I don't know what to get rid of it. Me say, IVANY, buy a monostad. Oh, you never take it from me, you go blood clot, go to the man, the man say, get a monostad, that's the buy number 5, volume 5 is the right one. Big old ever rank, ever sting. Where? And me get a Vagisil blood clot detox pussy wash. You don't know them something. There be a soap you're rubbing in your old stinking blood clot, IVANY. IVANY go buy some clothes to ice. You're too hype and I make money. That's why them say suffer little children to come and to me. And that the ice so good, girl. The amount of money where you make ice not supposed to stay, sir. I still ever have a pair of slippers for him foot. So good, girl. You can't chat to nobody. You can't mention nobody.
People should know how to behave when outside, especially with me. I'm not those ghetto load ass vulgar person.
Hey, come down. You go take your down shut. We don't want to hear this. I want to do this blood clot here. Oh, don't mute, don't blood clot interrupt with that shit pit there. You want to show up on the media like your things nasty, IVANY. Eh? Go and get I some clothes. Him is a nice baby. Him is a nice baby. What under him neck sore. I scratch him neck till it bleed. Social worker want ice. Me not ask. Social worker need ice. Ice buckle no blood clot skull. And me take ice buckle and put it in a blood clot cup and lock it down. Bam and skull that cute. Go suck your mama girl. Dog shit. When me come, they come see ice have barely could find bump on him skin. Barely could find bump on him skin. So good, girl. Who not live no life? You a live life? You live life dirt alert. Eh? You not live no life, so stop bring people name in and not live life. You not believe none. Oh. The fuck dear bitch. Yeah, nobody we Mickey's come take ice. Mickey's come take ice. Oh, you mean because I be that she did there say she done for the problem done. She want the problem done because she can't make no money. From she do her body, the people them not give her. Mr. Ivan, you know, so them stay. And enough people want to do them body and can't do it. That is exactly what I said to you. Come here, crazy dirty girl. Nasty woman, come here, blood clot reason. I shall sit up on a rock and tell it like Juanita. Juanita, you trouble blood clot me. So me I got trouble back you now. Once upon a time far, far away in the land, there was a girl called Nats. Nats, where are you? Nats, you keep a box match the other day. IVANY bring down your blood clot. IVANY say you come her yard and she angry like that. Then me, if you come and fear stinking yard, she mad. IVANY say you come her yard and you want to go live no blood clot. You just in her skin for go live. And that's why she don't come shoot for you because you go like say a sheep put the M in her money. And every time them feel like them she make a bag of money on TikTok. And she now come and no box match. And she show me one message say, she send you one message that you seen her. Tell me if I lie me, I tell come and pint. Suck your mother big pussy liquor girl. What? You nobody? Yeah? You nobody? You's nobody. Dirt alert. You beat from you do the surgery. You don't bathe, you run and take off for your beard and sweat off something. You don't take off, you don't do nothing, you lick over so on a blood clot. One go bathe. The time you come by here and you're not talking with people, you go take a decent fresh. Yeah. Dog shit. Don't play with me and then you want to call my blood clot pitney name. You're crazy. You're mad. Yeah? You're sick to the blood clot chip. Me say, oh, we come for ice in a danger. Ice in a great danger when the camera lock off for trouble. You see, a night time when time ice get up for blood clot tea. That bitch now move. Hey girl, me da go video see man. I'm just say no, make it stay. Hey girl, me say me da go video see man. When time little boy a ball, you slap him. Call your bed. Call your blood clot bed. Stinking girl, you're nothing. You're sitting. I sporting so for the little children to come on to me and she do it to a little pitney. You're not gonna ever like nobody pitney IVANY because you don't like your own. I face your face for the media, bitch. I face your face for the media. We all know that. I face your face for the media. Fuck the girl. Not even the care. Every time me have a little altercation, I bring it from the media. Worse, me never do nothing. Hey, girl, all me do is send back the $20 and me take it as a disrespect. And if you gonna disrespect me, it's only fair for me this back your blood clot by sending it back. You get me? Fuck you. Then again, to me send it back, you go block me. Bitch, don't block me, block your blood clot. Dirty attitude when I carry you go nowhere. Black that. A that you feel black. Oh? I feel sorry for the baby. Don't be feel sorry for the baby because when time them go to mediation and the boy do him the wait name, but I wait name paternity test. I say it name? Yeah. It'll go be the right way. I said you're going to be safe. I hope she don't do nothing before that.
Yo, cheese, everyone got suck on the mama come for internet pussy rent due.
Like, when my rent do me no make it be a problem to people. Me hold my own, you know.
Don't add nobody that you don't know.
You know, when me stop at not add nobody.
Alright.
But John Brown, what the two of them come up here and listen to the drunker girl for me something for? I want to make everybody alive, so what the man say? What you say, Nasif?
Mad Emily.
Watch ya. He say, Yazel, room it back to your queue.
Oh, she said the money pan cash up, mother.
He said no money from cash up. He said no money from Zelle.
Oh. Oh, so it trigger off the whole argument.
What you have the whole argument? Yeah, see the
The
watch.
$20 you ask
Look at the way now. Look now. Girl, the flight attendant take me off the flight and now I miss this flight. Kiss me, me don't even know what kind of teeth that. Bitch,
I'll kiss my fucking teeth for sure.
You need to change your attitude in life. Then you will move on. You not change. And if you not change, nobody not change either. Move your blood clot. Today when God works, cause you're a demon. You don't know, so when you send that to me, but I go send one dirty voice note in and say, think me hungry girl. And just, and same time when we see that come in, I say, hey, come in. Hey, alone come in, you dirty blood clot, yo. Because I was frightened. You say, God work fast, see? Where? Too evil.
So the baby,
somebody even say them nah. Alright, now give me no money, me do it for you. Come and say, you tell you say, IVANY, give them the half of the bus fare. Somebody bus fare, the taxi fare, make them go on home.
Somebody, mama asked a question. So one time you go, the baby they have flu.
Hey girl, this a drunk player turn up the AC past 60. Who, if people that on my life only can
So the
remember,
baby shake. So
me
the baby
ever
shake.
say me. Not like in the sense, so come like fridge. Here
So
we
the
are.
baby. So
The
the baby.
blood clot, they see the pan the highest in there. The highest.
Come here, shots. So the baby sick.
And the girl, they kill off the little baby. Also, me can come take your picnic from her. You know, you me tell you 60, the pan 60, 60, 60.
For PM fear, I would have sent her the $50.
Hello?
John Brown, me go take down your blood clot. Stop playing the mad woman no. Me tell the woman say $90 me pay for and yes I got blood clot airport. And that me tell her. She fi use her common sense. We a send 20 la go give who? Girl, you can't have money and do that. You have to broke. So I'm fi keep you broke. I would have shame to take that from you, girl.
Give me the moderator. I can't take on add people. See, they have to put on everything panic. You add up some people that make no sense. You see it? Hello? Mother? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take down John Brown. You have to come down China later.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, them have to go bench, man. Add up some people make sense.
Oh, yes, they feel so. They feel like
Am I echoing?
No, you're not echo, baby.
if not them pan man, bumbo clad, every of them is never surprising. People just know them are gonna come with all the time. Yeah.
But I'm surprised because I say you're not live good and so. I mean, I said, sure. But all the same, turn on saggy, you know, so.
Okay, you hear what we say? What the woman say different from what we say? It's not different. It's just that you like clothes. That's something like that could have happened. You go your ways, me go my ways, and you keep it there, so keep it moving.
So IVANY first go up on the media.
No, I me first. A blood clot me first.
IVANY post first. Let me say IVANY post first. I don't know, madam, that's a ask me. I don't know. I feel the judgment.
Postcard from me, she says she black me, black her back. I'm black her from Instagram, TikTok, everywhere.
How we have as moderator, we add up the people when they make no sense.
But that was silly. Like, couldn't.
Not if I add the people,
I think
girl.
it was because she felt away. She felt shame when she
Me,
blocked you.
Emily, not me. I don't have that.
She's that what add the people.
I'm gonna drop it back by you like a bomb cute.
It's cheese. It must be cheese.
Me tell Cheese stop do that.
Yeah. No, me no Georgia. It is what it is, yo. It is what it is. Vani will never change, and because she see people love her, she gonna do the same thing over and over and over. But adios, bitch. I want out to take that baby. You're not the baby.
But you know, when it comes on to babies, though, you have to encourage them to like do things. My son was sitting up from.
I said, cheese, as much as we want to go.
The way that take the people live far.
Make up your mind if you want you the people man know why yeah.
Emily savage, you know.
Come we can't bother with you and IVANY can I soon again.
Exactly.
Remember IVANY are your daughter, so my sister. Me may always say me for allow me kiss. Me may always say.
She could have deal with the situation better for you. Come, I did love for see the two on the come and say, Jano, to get somebody where really in a corner guide her, you
No, mother
know?
always tell me say she like
That's
her.
them a big things, boy, yeah.
Me not telling a lie.
Inna
It hurt
the
me for
system and
this, you know. But
everything,
me to
and
say
she
I was a good friend
disrespect
to
that. So
her.
who is me? And that's them right for blood clot, Vanny. She may not company leave the media and do it.
Listen, mother always tell me say she like Vanya everything.
Yeah, like
Vanya
people
Me
like
love see
themselves.
cheese
She don't
and
like
Van. Yeah, cheese
herself.
always say she love Van for true.
I want them
She could have pay you pay because me living at the Bronx too. And when you got airport, enough money you have to pay.
Cause what
To
even
come
what
back.
me I say.
A true money raise,
Even what me I
taxpayer raise,
say.
not cheap again.
And then we go buy
Yesterday
some
me I
book.
say it. Yesterday me I say Vanya go do her break. Cause me never know such cheese good. I want me to
She could have paid for you because you help her. You and she make you reach way over there. She could have did it for you. Me not lie.
For the luggage, guys. Please understand me. I pay for that on my own.
Barney shouldn't
You
come
get
from the
me?
media with this.
I
Them
said
over give
half
people
of
things
the
to
money
talk.
for the taxi ride. Simple. What adding at that? Half of the money for the taxi ride. If you not pay somebody and them do so much for you, you lick your finger 100 times and you name out all your fingernail them. Right now we don't even know if you have all the tooth index them same way. In a real life, when time you don't cook, you lick your finger. Not even that. The girl not even taking consideration.
Back to bad, yesterday back to something till her van never have to make it be a big issue. She could have
do it for you, man. Oh
She blocked me
my.
first. Pretty
Yeah.
blunt. He blocked me on WhatsApp after I sent her a screenshot and said, you're going to need the money for makeup and buy back a ticket. Something. You get me? So I send back the $20. Remember she said flight attendant take her off of the flight. You get me?
Well, for them flight, did I get trouble because I watch it on the news for go down where she live. But she could have deal with you better. And this never did have to come on the internet. This could have worked out
Yeah,
after.
we could have passed separately.
The
But as
bitch
we
live
say,
for the media.
you could have passed, them could have go back them separate ways and nobody don't know about it.
And she could have paid the 100. If she have it, she could have paid. Even say, my friend, me give her half of it. Because you did it for me.
I want to understand. It wasn't a problem. I pay and I come home. I did not mention anything. And I said nothing, me just come. And when I come for my live, somebody I go say, you know, like when you're Vanny, that's what the fuck, what is now? Same time I say, remember say other little thing, I say, I hope she not gonna call me name. When you check it out, this girl like disrespect my pitney. I just need some clothes. When you check your pitney, you check back me, bitch. I need
Sometimes other people
but that nothing to do with me. No girl, this is my pitney. I'm gonna tear up them.
other people over there talk about you over there.
I see tender loving
Mother
care.
wait now, come in upon a live and watch her. Mother wait now, me upon a live and watch her is the people in the comment section that go over there tell live because them telling not even personal live yet. And them a tell live and you say your class. Woman,
Oh, me to class, so she not have a phone for good people look.
that make you tell you Vanny no look, Vanny no look, Vanny no start talk, Vanny name need to look.
That don't have that me I go talk too. No bigger one is not the year, son. No time at all. Oh.
Why? This me never expect this to happen. God no. Come and say me I watch you and I say God no, me like how cheese did the fear with the baby and so. And now this
Is not
no sir.
Yeah, the woman. I had the word. She don't care.
Why me not like that internet you look like it have a disease to blood clean.
What this is when that God for them try to stay relevant with things. I feel like pulling down people at all times is a hobby. And you cannot pull down me, you pull down yourself and then try me. When you check that little boy, you say your baby need a remote. That baby that look like him eat something pop off in the ice. Something pop off in the ice. Every time ice shit, the whole place boom up. You hear me? I tell you now, I'm half a beard ice every time. And I know all this big nasty girl. Every time that the baby that can have that essential shit there. And you use wipes and even clean off. That the body have to wash off with soap. So check your child before you check other people. I don't know if him liver damage or what, but something right. I shit no normal, man. If a big people that shit think so, man.
I time I eat food. Them I
What
give him
kind of
for the
food?
big
No
people
food him not eat. Straight buckle, rice cereal, and then little milk. What kind of food? Him have time for baby. Him have
Stop,
time for baby.
mother.
A
Mother,
straight
stop.
yeah.
Mother.
Hey, lomo bumbo pussy block. Hey, me go take you down. Me I take down you. Know me. You're outside of here. People can talk about me pitney without no reason, valid reason. Just because of fucking half of a fucking taxi fare. And you're getting your feelings come send back where you send me. Eh? Are you first black me? Then come on the media. You like where you always do big old girl. Thinking pussy van wherever walk with one shotty blood clot 9. They go miss a 45 days in a magnum. Are you that vanny? Full of gun, the blood clot in a man. What the girl? Now you're building black down something rub off for you and the picnic catch it. I mean,
Auntie Cheese, step me down there.
what would
I
this?
just want to know done.
No, auntie, big up yourself. Get on the track again. You don't know the body. No girl ramp with my pitney without a car saying I get pay. You hear me tell you keep it jiggy? You couldn't keep it jiggy. You not call me all girl. That not good enough. Oh, you gonna pitney? You can't go pitney with nobody? You crazy. You mad. You mad. You can't go pitney with no blood clot body. God, you do pitney? You do pitney? Ice little creases them so and chafe up. God, you as my witness. You touch my child, I touch yours. It's a war. Ice little creases them chafe up. You depend on me there every day, go blood clot, look out for the baby. And come down. That you forgot do. The people in my blood clot gas you up and make you feel like your things. But look out for the baby. Ice ears back sour.
Yes, hello, good night. This is actually my first time ever coming live. Cheese, anybody with sense can clearly see that there is something wrong with her mentally.
That I've done for the baby bada. You mad me madder. A mad house production no blood clot.
Yeah, and even a while ago.
What a beer head lit me get when I was a child I grew up miss. My mad.
Even a while ago, you hear her say, I'm going to give you medicine to go to sleep.
And that she do, girl.
You never give a
my
child.
blood clot tell not to she dey on live when the live like half a trouble in the
You
valley.
never give a
Sorry
baby.
for ice, me say, oh, we go and get your son.
You don't have to
Oh, we go and get
explain.
your son.
It's in
I will
plain.
come and testify panda bitch. She lick the baby.
It is in plain sight. Everything is in plain. Everything is in plain sight. You don't even have to explain. You can see the abuse that is happening. Babies need nurturing.
Hello, you not tell me. Even when me I do it and I play with the baby like, she not do it, she jealous. Hey, you see from
You have to
I see how the
nurture.
baby react to me.
And
The baby
even
I love the baby. I never shoot up your blood clot, me not care.
And sometimes the baby look a little nervous. I saw when she was in the airport today with the baby, and the baby looked nervous today.
Hello. Hello.
He looks
Look here.
nervous.
Listen to me.
The
And
baby
I
look
want
like
you
he
to
have
listen to me.
anxiety.
That baby don't wear clean clothes. You see the clothes them when the bitch can come, you can count them. And she put them on for the baby and puke up because he puke a lot. That bitch need to get some 6-month-old bib for the baby. A
Because-
big clock bib, newborn. To be a newborn.
So wait.
They do too much and nothing now go on
Cheese.
good for you. Yeah, Rob.
Cheese, I'm
No,
gonna
please let me Rob. Me no want nobody tell me something.
No, I'm not telling you to stop, right? Because obviously it's your
It's
situation.
in plain sight.
Man,
Everything is in plain sight. You can see that she doesn't know how to take care of a baby. She does not know how to nurture a baby.
Cheese, you can do whatever it is that you're doing, but I don't think
people
this
are come over here to come report your life from over our life. Mad me make me come down.
And why you
Let me
gonna
come
do that?
down.
You wanna done the truth?
No, Cheese, I'm saying, yeah, you can talk whatever you want to talk, guys. You and Ivani. However, this Rachel person, it seems that you have been watching for quite some time. So what, you needed Cheese to talk for you to now to start talking what you see.
What? What are you talking about?
I am talking about the fact that you've clearly been watching the woman for a while and you haven't been saying anything. Why now Cheese is opening up her mouth? You're saying something.
This is my first time even going live. I'm not a TikTok person.
Live, but like,
I don't even understand. What are you trying to get to? I'm commenting on what I saw.
You are commenting on what you saw, but it's not the first time you're seeing all of these things that you now want to express.
Yes, today is the first time I witnessed this woman just said, I'm giving him medicine to make him sleep. What are you talking about? She just said it.
You just said it.
Yes, Ivani just did it. She just did it on her live. What's wrong with you?
You know you have on sub live.
Just put it on.
What are you getting to? Why are you coming on here to argue with me?
I'm not arguing with you. This is
so
not
what are you coming on here to pick with me
said
for?
what I said. So why are you on the stage, Adam Filter the Pharaoh